this shift and this experience is beyond anything that I have experienced in this lifetime till now.
Most of us feel burnt out. There is so much mental illness, physical exhaustion that comes up, and we felt a really, really deep need to create safe spaces where people can gather, especially women. Women can gather and just deeply relax into being themselves, because as empaths, as sensitive, star seeds, divine feminines, we feel like sometimes we can sense into the pain, into the emotions of others, not just ourselves, and that tends to feel heavy, right? But when we go a little bit deeper, we kind of realize that it's not just our pain that we carry, it is the pain of our ancestral lines, it is the collective pain that we are feeling and transmuting.
From the stay, the food, the meditational experiences, each thing has been, I think, curated with so much love and with so much of their own energy that you can feel it when you're receiving it.
The retreat that we envisioned was unlike any retreat that we know. It was not a yoga retreat, it was not a breathwork retreat, it was not a healing retreat, it was a light retreat, right? It was a multi-dimensional retreat. I think being light channels ourselves, not channeling any one particular healing or any one particular frequency. We wanted to connect with light workers and light leaders who want to bring more light. And the way to bring more light is to not just heal the shadows, it's to remember all parts and aspects of ourselves, which is why we wanted to include things like grid work. We wanted to include things like integration, and these are happening on a very quantum level, and these were not happening on a very 3-hour journey level. These were happening in short span of time, but basically collapsing time and space.
Extremely happy to be here and experience this divine intervention with Hiral and Sachi.
When I attended the first session, everything just, kind of fell into place. I exactly knew where I needed to heal. It was just like, 2 and 2 together, like a puzzle fitting together.
I'm so glad that this was my first experience because it was beautiful. And all that I can say that I'm feeling towards the end of this retreat is 100% calmness and 100% surety in myself.
That's the best intention we have for moving forward as well, to create more spaces of belonging, because I work so much with starseeds, and even my own personal journey has been looking for that sense of belonging, looking for that sense of home, and to have that crazy vision validated that, hey, you're not alone, this is not you're not going through this journey alone. I think that's the most important thing for us.
As you take that leap of faith, the dream just starts grounding into reality, and I think that's a dream come true. That's what this retreat has really been for us. May all sisters know that they are strong, and may all sisters know that they are strong.